You must have seen this in the software that you are using to work on robotics so far, the Tinkercad, right? Mention yes or no. Have you seen such device in the Tinkercad software? Yes. Okay, great. So now we are going to build something out of this cool thing because you just cannot keep on learning using the softwares. The real motto is to create a robot, right? Just give me a while. Uh, is the voice okay now? I hope voice is okay. Your volume must be low. Okay, that's due to the weak connection from your side, beta. Here we have good internet connection, so please check your internet connection. And in case you're getting a lag, we can send you the recording. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now let me talk about this Hunt Championship because you are now all set to make some cool robots. You have learned so many things in the last 3 4 months, and now the time has arrived when you can make your own robots. So the robot that will be making in this hunt championship will be like this. So this is a line follower robot, and I'll show you what it does during the course of our today's session. Meanwhile, अगर किसी के पास भी कोई question आता है, you can ask, right? Don't hesitate in asking any question. If you feel that something needs to be asked, just ask. Okay? Yeah. So the RoboHut Championship date will be announced. Okay, we will give school the circular that on which what will be the last date because your fellow students or your classmates or your schoolmates are yet to know about this competition. Okay, so this is a competition that is happening inside your home itself. You don't need to go anywhere. You'll make robot inside your home itself because you have been already connected with the teachers, right? Are you getting my point? English and Hindi. Your people are comfortable with English or Hindi? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So you can let me know at any point of time if you need any help. Okay. Great. I have opened the chat window by side. Yeah. So theory is important, but there is no substitute to hands-on experience. So we have learned a lot of theory about what is a robot, what is a microcontroller, what is an Arduino, everything. But until and unless we are going to do it, until unless we are not doing it, that how an Arduino works or what is an Arduino in real, or what cool things we can make by using an Arduino, the motto is not going to be completed, right? So in the competition, you have to make one such robot. So you can see this is a robot. Okay, this is a line follower robot, and you have to create such a robot that can do this. So this is a line, and this is following that line. Okay, so we will send the arena to your school and to you also so that you can make the robots, you can test the robots. And the fastest robot, whichever robot will compete or whichever robot will finish the track in the least possible time, they will win the competition, right? Okay, yeah. You got it? Any question related to this? The line follower? Any question related to this? You can raise your hands and unmute yourself and then you can ask. Yes, Resh, unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how we have to make this?
So we will be sending you the necessary videos related to it with the kit itself.
Okay.
We will send you the kit as well as the related videos, and the
Oh,
trainers will be helping you from there itself. So like just like
okay.
we are teaching you now, okay? So we'll
Okay,
teach
sir.
you remotely that how you can make it, and you can with the guided books and with the guided manuals, you can make it at your home itself. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Competition, yeah,
Thank-
but one question from Diksha Kamble. This competition is compulsory. Yes, competition is compulsory, but taking part not mandatory. It's totally goes up to you. If you want to participate in this, you can go for it. But we will recommend you to participate. Yeah. Any other question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Shankal.
Hello. Sir, till when we have to make this robot?
So we will send the circular to the school. School will update you with all the details. We are here
Okay,
just
sir.
to tell
Thank
you
you.
about this competition and answer your queries here. Okay. So let's move to the next slide. Now, what are you going to need in this competition or to make this robot? So you need the Arduino. So this is Arduino. You need this board. Then the battery operated motors. These kind of battery operated motors you'll be needing. And then you'll be needing the motor driver shield itself. So this shield will be responsible for driving your motors. Okay. And then servo motors, they will be looking like these battery operated motors itself, but their working will be slightly different. And then the caster wheels, this this is the caster wheel. Okay. Sir, I have a, yes, Purva, you have a doubt, please ask. Purva, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. Anyways. Yes, Purva. I have not understood. Okay, sir, my doubt is that I have not understood. What you didn't understood, beta, about the competition? So what we will do, we will send a complete list. Send a complete list of manuals, or we'll send you a complete manual by reading which you can understand the whole point that what is this competition about, what will happen, why, how can you participate, where do you need to submit the a robot that will make everything will be that presentation itself in the that manual itself. Okay. So this is the arena. So you can have the glimpse of the arena. So this is the arena. This is the path that you have to cover. So this will be 3 feet long, then 1 feet width here, and then this long, 1 feet, 1.5 feet width here, and this. So we will send this arena to the school, or you can at your home itself, where you have to participate, where you have to build a robot and test it out, and then send a video to us. Okay, and the robot which will complete the path in the least possible time will be the winner. Okay. So the next is uh, yeah. So we'll be sending you a box like this. Okay. You have to collect this from your school itself. So we'll send you a box like this. So this is the box. You'll receive a box like this in which you'll get all the mandatory equipments, okay, which you need to make this robot. Not only this robot, this box will be sufficient enough to make at least 40 robots. Okay. So for the next 6 months, we'll be keep on conducting number of events. Okay. This time we are conducting line follow robot. Next time we will conduct Bluetooth control Android robot, and then next the gesture control robot. So you'll be needing this kind of hardware box with you so that you can make robots at home. Okay. So, so let me introduce a few things to you. Yeah. So here are the list of those 40 projects which you will be making in the next 6 months with this robot. Okay. The first is LED blinking with Arduino, which you have already done on the Tinkercad, right? Then LED blinking from a push button, interfacing of LED with loops, breathing of LED. So the dimming and then glowing at the full pace. In dancing LEDs, interfacing LED from the do while loop, interfacing LED from the loop, and then the project's name. Yeah, different patterns with different buttons. Night Rider circuit with Arduino, interfacing of potentiometer with Arduino, taking input output from serial monitor and showing output by blinking LED, how to read analog voltage. So basically, this kit will convert your basic journey of robotics into the advanced mode. Okay, once you have learned all these skills, you can go to the next level of robotics. So this is again LED binary counter, RGB LEDs, mixing primary colors with an RGB LED. Okay, so here are some robots that we'll be making. Okay, real life project. So creating dimmable LED, distance measurement. So you can measure the distance without actually reaching to the subject. Let's say if you have to measure the distance of that wall, I can do it from here itself. I'll simply point that ultrasonic sensor towards the wall, and so basically this is an ultrasonic sensor and this is an LCD. So we will make a project that will measure the distance from that wall and can display on this LCD that what is the distance from that wall. Okay, next, ultrasonic security system. If somebody is crossing your path, it will give you an alarm. Display your name. You can display your name here itself. Simple calculator with LCD display. You can make calculators at home so that you can understand how calculators work. LCD display, that how you can write something on your mobile phone and you can see the changes happening on the your robot. Okay, how to control DC motor. Now you can know how to control the DC motor by using the motor drivers that you're using so far. Now I want to know one thing. Yeah, that how many of you have laptop or PC at your home? Because that is a kind of mandatory thing. Okay. So we'll take this data from the school. We hope that most of almost 90% of students have that computer or laptop at your home. And whichever student who doesn't have a laptop or computer at their home, they can go to their friends. So you can make groups, you can form groups, and then you can work on the projects in that manner. Okay, great. So most of, yes, Ria, you have a query. So I can see three hands raised. Ria, Sachin, and Yogit. You can ask a question one by one.
So you're saying that you will get the kit, but we'll get the notice when we have to take it on Magica or on Facebook.
Sorry.
So you're saying that you will get the date, but on which app of Facebook or on Magica?
We will send the details to the school itself. Okay, and then school will let you know. Just give me a while.
Hello, sir.
Wait a minute, Sai, just a minute.
Yeah.
Ask.
So, Sai, we will send the circular to the school itself. You don't need to worry about this. You will receive be it on WhatsApp, be it on Magica, wherever you can get it. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay.
Ria, you have a query. You have a query.
Sai,
Yes,
ask
Ria,
the query.
you have a query. I guess Sai query has been answered. Shreyas,
Yogit.
Yogit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, Yogit.
Which Arduino we have to use?
We will be using Arduino Uno, beta.
Okay.
Yeah, Uno is the most basic version of Arduino and it's widely used. Okay, so you
Yes.
can make a number of things by using an Arduino. You can make a lift controller. Like, do you have a lift in your locality or in your
What?
apartment?
No.
Lift. Okay.
No.
Have you ever seen a lift?
Yes.
So you can make a lift by using Arduino. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next query, Sreyash.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sreyash,
Sir,
yeah, but a query, please.
sir, what we if we didn't have laptop or computer?
Then you have to talk to one of your friend who do have the computer or laptop, and then you can work on the weekend. Also, this thing supports your mobile phone, but that will be a little bit tough to code on using a mobile phone. Okay, so we'll
Okay.
strongly recommend using a laptop or a PC, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Ayush,
Ayush,
any
unmute
query?
yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ayush.
Sir, how we can get the basket in this time?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, ask your question again.
Sir, how we can get that press kit in this Corona time?
So we will send the kit to your school directly. You just have to pick it from the school.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dhananjay, unmute
Dhananjay.
yourself.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah. Hi, Dhananjay.
Hey, teacher. Good afternoon, teacher.
Good
Teacher,
afternoon.
teacher. These instruments we can buy the school.
Yes, we will send the instrument to the school itself. You don't need to go anywhere else. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
The kit will be sent to the school itself. You just have to pick it from the school.
Okay, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Harshvardhan. Okay, let me finish this and then we'll have a question answer round. Okay, we just have a few more slides which are very important and you might get your answer in the slide itself. Okay. So these are the robots that we'll be making interfacing with IR sensor. You must have seen IR sensor. IR sensors are being used in your TV. Okay, inside your TV is remote. You see that single LED glowing in the TV in the front of TV's remote. Okay, and then line following robot interfacing with servo motors, interfacing with joysticks, controlling servos with the joystick. Bluetooth controlled robots will be making. So you will be making a robot that can be controlled by using your cell phone itself. Okay. So Bluetooth control messenger LCD, you will write some message and then you can send it to the LCD for the robot. Bluetooth mini car will be making memory game for Arduino. Will be making games by our own. The guidelines. Okay. As per this RoboHunt Championship, the task for the students is to create a line follower robot. You just have to make a line follower robot for this time. Okay. So why we are sending this whole kit to you? Because you don't need to get the kit every time. Okay. Once we know that what we are going to need for the next 6 months, so we are sending almost everything that you will be needing for the competitions that we'll be conducting for the next 6 months. Okay. So firstly, student has to register herself himself. So we will be sending you a link. Okay, we will send this link to the school with all the important notifications and updates. So you have to click on this link and you have to register yourself first. Okay. After registration, we will provide a video link of the line follower robot to the registered students. With the help of that video, student will get an idea how to make the robot in real world. Okay. Then when championship will start, we will give you a deadline that okay, we have given you 5 days. You have to build that robot. We will give you a couple of weeks before once you receive the kit, okay, so that you can make it, we can learn it and how that thing works. And after that, once every robot will be completed, we will give you another 3 to 5 days for creation of the final robot for competition. Okay, because you will be having points on design, we'll be having points on creativity, will be having points on fastest robot and number of things. Okay, jury member will judge the students on the basis of their following points. Recorded video should be uncut. Facebook, you have to submit the video on Facebook. However, we will send you the latest, okay, that latest information whether you need to submit the video on Facebook or not. We are yet to take this decision, okay? But there is a very huge chance that you need to upload it on Facebook. Points should be given to the students on the basis of presentation, that how you are presenting it, art and craft for the project making. Project should be in working mode. It should be in working mode. It should not look like this. It should work actually. Dhananjay, turn off your camera. Program outcomes. So what will you learn from this? So students will learn how to make robots in real world because they are taking training online only. So now what we're doing, you're learning robotics for last 6 months, okay, almost last 6 months, and you're doing it online only. You don't have any real hardware kit by using which you can practice, or you can see that how the actual change is happening, or you cannot make a project in real time, okay. So we have to go through this so that you can have a hardware kit with you and you can make and break robots. With the help of this program, students can convert their theoretical knowledge into practical knowledge. So far you have learned a number of things, that how this switch works. This is a switch, the push button switch. You have only seen this in the Tinkercad. So you can now get to know that how this thing works. Or you can get to know about the Arduino. You can get to know about the infrared sensors. Okay. So all the participants, okay, students can win exciting prizes. We have prizes at well for this competition. So whoever will be participating will get the certifications in association with IIT Patna Incubation Center and access to IIT Patna's Tech Fest. So IIT Patna conduct a Tech Fest every year. Last year, not last year actually, in the year 2019, 12 students from your school have visited IIT Patna Tech Fest and they have participated in a number of competitions. For whoever will be participating, the winner will get the access to the annual Tech Fest. Okay. And even if you are not a winner, you want to visit, you have to go through certain terms and conditions, and then we can allow you for entry to IIT Patna Tech Fest. So we have the prizes. The first prize that the winner will get is a drone. The second prize will be advanced robotics kits. And the third prize will be a graphics writing pad. Okay. So other benefits, students will get a participation certificate. You all will be receiving a participation certificate. They will also be getting exciting prizes according to their project submission. आप जिस हिसाब से you will submit your project, you will be giving up exciting prizes. Okay. With the help of the kit, they can make up to 40 projects. With this kit itself, you can make more than 40 projects. Just give me a while. And this is the 40 projects are not the limit. We will be doing 40 projects with you. You can make more than 100 projects by using this kit, by utilizing your brain, that what else can be made out of this. After this hands-on experience, you can be able to participate in a number of technical workshops and tech fests happening. One is happening in your city itself. It's not in your city, but in your state itself at IIT Mumbai. Okay. Winner of this championship will get 3 months free access to our makerspace, online and offline, and a sponsored admission to IIT Patna's annual Tech Fest or workshop. Pictures of the winners will be social media platforms and will be uploading your images everywhere that we will be sharing the contest. Yeah. So your queries, please. Now, the presentation is over. You can express your queries. Purva, the whole, sir, please explain me it again. Please, sir, if you don't mind, can you explain? What exact line you want me to explain? We can have, you can turn on your mic. Okay. You can unmute yourself. Purva. Yes, Purva.
Purva, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Purva. What is your
Uh,
query,
sir,
beta?
I have not yes, I have not understood the second and third slide.
Second and third slide. So let me take
Yes.
you to the second and third slide. So this is the second slide and this is the third slide. Okay. So in the second slide, we are looking forward to tell you, or that we are telling you that theory is very important. We understand learning something is very important, but there is no substitute to hands-on experience. So when you do something, you learn. Okay. There is a quote said by Swami Vivekananda that if you hear, you will forget. Okay. If you see, you'll remember, and if you'll do, you'll learn how to do. Okay. So we want you to make robots now. Since we are learning robotics for last 6 months, we are now at a space where we can make robots by our own. Okay, until and unless we are not making robots by our own, the robotics won't be able to reach to that level. Okay, so we need to learn how to make robots. And when how can we make robots when we'll have the hardware, right? Yes, now you can have your queries. So this is the robot that we have to make at first. So this is a line follow robot. This is following a line. You have to make the same robot. We'll be teaching you how you can make, and then you can test it at your home itself. Okay? Yeah. Yes, Dhananjay, your question, please.
Hello, teacher. Teacher, we can tell about one link name. These links we have seen and understand that how to make this robot.
Okay.
But teacher, which link?
No. The link will be sent to you to the school, okay, and then school will share the link to you. So using that link, you have to register. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
And teacher, when we have submitted the project.
So I can see there are number of questions. What is the cost of the kit? What is the cost of the kit? Yes. So we will send the circular to the school itself. You'll get the price there itself. Okay. And we
Okay,
will send.
teacher.
Yeah. Yes, Aditya.
And teacher,
At first, you have to register on the link. You'll receive the link by today itself. Okay. The link will be having some very basic queries. Okay. You have to just answer those things, and then you'll receive another notification for us from us. Yeah. Yes, Aditya.
Sir, we can do in group these activities.
Yes, you can do in group.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes, Harshvardhan. Your
Yes,
query,
sir.
please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, that kid at school have to give one.
Sorry.
Sir, that kid you have one.
Not yet. Not yet. At first, we need to know that how many students are participating. Okay, and then we'll send the kit from this location.
Sir, how many
Hello.
at school
We
magic
cannot.
app?
We cannot hear.